Hi guys, well, we're just about to tell you about another adventure we went on to. We left the Snowy Island Man to go on a caravan adventure in North Wales. And needless to say, it turned out into a mission. Please join us to find out what we got up to, where we went, how long it took, and any hassle we had whilst doing it, and any fun we had whilst we was doing it. Looking forward to letting you know all about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Good morning, folks.
Morning, guys.
And it is morning.
It's a beautiful morning.
It is.
We're going home. The sun's out. The sky's clear. Literally. Would you believe it? Look at it. It's beautiful.
The car.
And we're going. Mind you, on the plus side, it might be a bit of a steady crossing, Donna.
Oh. Yeah.
There's always a plus.
I can only think. Thank God for that one.
Even though you want to come across yet.
Yeah. No. Exactly.
Anyway.
Yeah.
If you've been with us, thank you.
Yes. If you've been through the holiday with us, it's been a bit of a strange holiday, hasn't it?
Been a wet one.
A very wet one. And we spent most of our time hunting for something else to live in.
And the annoying thing is, we went 2.5 hours yesterday. Drove 2.5 hours yesterday down towards past Birmingham, towards Nottingham.
Yeah.
Got a stone chip at Birmingham
Yeah.
on the way back. Then this morning, went to open the handle of the door.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
And not, but the door fell off.
Yeah, only the thing, what if your fob breaks down and your central locking doesn't work, you've got a key on the Rangy to open the doors, and yeah,
That's come off.
And
It's
that's
broke
come
off.
off.
Piece of plastic just broke off. So I wonder how much you're going to charge me for that.
Oh yeah,
Range Rover probably charged you £600 for that.
yeah, no doubt. But we'll find out. But this is our moan for today.
Yeah, we do.
We should call ourselves the moaners.
Well, Donna was going to put a little pad of these here we call Mike's Moans.
Yeah.
But it would be little.
No, it'd be
There's not
nobody.
enough internet time for it all.
Nobody's got a week to sit and watch a TV, babe. Yeah, so anyway, we're heading towards Frodsham now. We're
40 minutes late.
We're going to pick my mum up. And we've got to clear some of this out because I've got to sit in the back there. So
Unless leave your mum at your sister's.
that sounds like a
Because they
plan.
come back in 2 days, beat up Joe.
Yeah, that could be an idea. Joking aside, that would be a very good idea.
There's no time between 2 days, it's all in the manor.
Right, okay.
And if it's windy, you won't be happy.
No, I definitely have not got sea legs, and yet we love cruising. So it's not a very good thing as soon as you hit any bumps in the water. I'm confined to the room. But it's a beautiful day, like Mike said, absolutely gloriously sunny, skies are blue, and it's very pretty. It'll take ages for Wales to dry out because it's been wet just
Really
recently.
wet, yeah.
But last night it bounced down.
Again,
Yeah.
Donna's not had much sleep.
No. Yeah, but that wasn't because of the rain, that was just because my head was full of the motorhome, full of whether we're doing the right, well, it's not whether we're doing the right thing, I'm 100% positive that we're doing the right thing. There's no point if you can't use the things you've bought, is it? So, yeah, I'm 100% positive we've done the right thing in getting the motorhome. But it was just other things surrounding that were giving me problems. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful it is now.
I'm trying to concentrate on the wind, man, to keep the vehicle straight.
Alright, you concentrate on driving with the window, with the You probably can't hear us anyway with the window being open, so I shall love you and leave you for now.
Is that better?
And we shall speak to you later.
In there and now, signing off.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Speak to you later. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Well,
Just got the caravan off. Back in the
caravan's
storage.
tucked up in bed.
Currently.
We're heading to pick my mum up now. And then life returns to normal.
Yeah. Depression.
Oh, lovely and sunny still, as you can see.
Sorry. I know, it's typical, isn't it? It's usually somebody F. But if you've had 7, 8, 9 days of rain and the day sunny's the day you're going home, it is frustrating.
Yeah, very. But that's fine. Last night it was absolutely bouncing down. It felt like somebody was shooting at frozen peas at the caravan. But yes, we're heading to pick Mum up now, and then we're heading to Heysham to board the ferry. So we should be back on the island tonight. We're not leaving it here.
No.
We should be back on the island tonight at what time? About 6:30.
Yeah, 6:30 back at the island.
Yeah. So
If it goes well, there's no fog, it doesn't break down, yeah.
tempting fate by saying these things.
Sorry. You don't say it.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure.
And instruct you on how it is to be worn. You should remain calm
Horton.
and follow the instructions of the crew members in the assembly station. Any passengers who feel they may have a mobility or communication difficulty in the event of an emergency situation are asked to make themselves known.
Hi folks. Well, we're back in the car after another bumpy crossing. Was it bumpy, babe? There he is.
A little bit bumpy. I slept through it. I enjoyed it.
What can I say? Strange people. Puppies are back there. There's one.
Enjoyed it.
And somewhere else is the other. I think they might be a bit green around the gills. Mum's a bit green around the gills. I am as well. We're going to head home now. Feet up, watch telly, early to bed. And another day tomorrow.